Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can autoplay video on mobile data and Wi-Fi on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Accessibility, Display and Languages. After that, tap on Data Users. Then scroll until you find Video Autoplay. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of mobile data and Wi-Fi. Tap on it. So, this is how you can autoplay video on mobile data and Wi-Fi on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.